I'm here on the Walhonding River once again. I'm gonna try and catch a few fish. I'm here kind of early tonight because I want to get done early. I got some commitments tomorrow morning I got to be up for. First thing I did when I got here was drop my chair in the water, so I got a nice wet chair. Thanks for the hat, Jay. I'm going to try and catch something on my cane pole, and I'm going to mess around trying to catch some catfish out here and on real catfish poles too, and just see what happens tonight. Just gonna play it how it goes. I got him. Oh, I had him. Son of a gun. I could never get caught up to him. He was bringing it in behind. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. Little baby carp. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Hopefully you don't see that on the camera. I got him. He might have me around the stick. You definitely got me around the stick. You might find out that I'm not afraid to go out in the water. There, got him off. I think it's just another little carp. I guess. Yeah. Just another little carp. Nope, sheephead. In freshwater drum. Oh, and he swallowed it because I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to you, bud. Oh! How am I going to get my hook out of there? Well, we got it out. Got him a little muddy. We got it out. I think he's going to be all right, though. We'll see. Oh, yeah, he's ready to go. Got the skunk out of her, at least. Got something. Another sheephead. Some reason we'll go all summer long and not catch any of these sheephead, and this one swallowed it too. In the fall season we get a bunch of sheephead up in here. Ugh, way down in there. Should have set the hook a little sooner, but we'll see how he does. Oh, he's all right. I got him again. If it's another sheephead, I guess it's better than not catching anything. It's another sheephead. And it swallowed it too. That's the problem with catching sheephead and not having the rod in your hand, I guess. They just swallow the thing. It's 3 for 3 on swallowing it. Yeah, but I can get this one out. Ooh, had it. I had it out. Don't swallow it, bud. Just make it worse. Sheephead number 3. Yeah, you can. It's amazing. We never catch none of these all summer. Ooh, is he gonna make? There he goes. And then in the fall, we just get so many of them here. Got him. Whatever he is. This one's staying down, but it's fighting like a stupid sheephead. They don't fight. Ooh, now it's got some fight. It must be a little carp. Yeah, it's a little carp. if he's gonna come in or not. These carp fight about 5 times as good as them sheephead do. We're gonna play a little game with this carp. We're gonna stick him up in this little oxbow finger thing here and see how long it takes him to get out of here. Oh, maybe. Oh, see how long it takes him. He's going the wrong way. He figured it out. Oh, still not figured out which way to go. He'll have it all smoked up in there in a minute. I might have to get him out now, stupid thing. Maybe we'll just leave him in there for a while, see if he gets out. He's going up in the muskrat hole. He's just going to sit there. I guess he feels like there's no threat up in there. If we blockaded that off, we could use it as a live well. We'll shoot him out there. There he goes. Under that stick and over that one, and you're out, bud. Almost to the river. Right underneath that log, they can really get around. Sitting here in my nice wet chair, I'm feeling like the old time string band, Soggy Bottom Boys. And there's not much action happening on the fishing rods, so hopefully something happens soon. Kind of shake the boredom off. He was on there and got off. No, he's still on there. He's still on there. Might be a bigger carp at least this time. Ooh. Oh, stay out of that tree. Stay out of the tree. You frickin' thing. Not that big of a carp either. Just on my lightweight pole. And he's around the tree. Who would ever guess that would happen? You can see him out there. Try and give him some slack so get away from the tree, but no. It's gonna be too deep, too cold to go get him. But we're going for him anyways. Why is it so cold? And deep. There we go. That's deep there. Oh, standing on the tree. Nothing in my pockets. He's still on there? I think he is, but I'm just standing on the tree and I'm afraid to. Oh yeah, he's definitely on there. Oh, he came out from around it now. Now if I can bring him up here. Whew. There we go. Yeah, not a real big carp. Bring him into shore here. Ooh, he hasn't done fighting yet. Ooh. I had him right beside of me, but man, he's a good fighter. Well, he's not a small carp at least. Just not a real big one. Oh, muddy. What a muddy mess. Oh, he got away. I was trying to wash him off and show him to you, but he got away. There he goes. Well, We caught 2 carp and 3 sheephead today. I guess middle of September, it's not too bad of a day, and I was only out there for maybe 2 hours, so could have been worse, could have been better.